How to apply for Walmart online. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can apply for Walmart online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to apply for Walmart online, which is Walmart career, jobs and so on, it is very simple. You're not going to use the Walmart app, but we want to simply open up our browser, which is our Google Chrome or any browser you have, and then you want to go to careers.walmart.com. I will also have a direct link prepared down in the description box, so if you have that you can just go to careers.walmart.com, and once you're on the website over here you'll be able to simply search for a job title or keyword depending upon what you'd like. Otherwise, there are a list of open vacancies available at the bottom of the screen, so you can just go ahead and look for a specific one that you want, such as for healthcare, for technology, or whatever else you prefer in this case. Depending upon what title and openings you want, you can just go ahead and look for a specific one, click that specific vacancy, and then you should be able to apply for it by filling a specific form in this case. This way you can apply for Walmart online. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.